To myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. Yeah, 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 yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop.
Happy Tuesday, y'all. So I went out, got off work, picked my son up, and I went out because we're having a repast. My pastor's brother passed, so we're having his funeral on Saturday. Unfortunately, I'm unable to attend a family friend's funeral, and one of my really good friend's son his funeral is also Saturday. So it's three families who I'm close with, and three funerals. Okay, so I went to the store and I got the I'm taking this back. I didn't realize, y'all, look, they had them 2 for $5, but they've expired. I don't want that. I'm taking that back. Hold on. And you know, it's not like me to not check the dates, but I don't want that. If they're supposed to sell it by April the 25th, they should be selling that for $1. That's going back. Anyway, so for the repast, I got the Imperial butter, margarine. This is for the corn. Vegetable oils for the cake. So this need to be at church. Crushed pineapple. So what I'm doing, I'm making 4 pineapple pound cakes. And I use the crushed pineapple. And whenever, I got this from Chef Jeff, whenever you using fruit in your cakes, you want to use buttermilk. I'm doing 2 of the cakes, like baker cakes. I'm doing 2 of them. And it's the long pan. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 long pans. Well, I'm not doing the long pans with the pineapple. I think the pineapple comes out better when you put it in a bundt pan. But I'm doing 4 pineapple, 2 butter golden, and 2 chocolate. And what I do with the chocolate, you know how they say with chocolate cakes use coffee? Coffee to me makes it kind of bitter. I don't really care for it. You know what I start doing? I put chocolate milk. Yeah. So I got some milk for my son. That's actually for the house. And I also got him some cooked ham for his lunches this week. This was on sale for $3.97. He also wanted the flaming hot Cheetos, so he got a few of those. I got my peanuts and my apples for breakfast, and that is it. Oh, and y'all, our last repast, our brother who passed, and we had the funeral last month, we did spaghetti, and they were a hit. So instead of getting the ragu spaghetti sauce, I got some of these, and believe it or not, this Brookshire spaghetti mix was really, really good. I mixed them. What you do, you take this, you mix it with tomato paste and water and a little oil. That keeps it from clumping up. Very, very good. Very, very good. So that's all I have. I don't have very much. I just want to stop by and say hello. And welcome all my new subscribers. And just let y'all know, love on your people, because I'm telling you, there is so much going on in the world right now. Y'all know, if you rock with me, you know I have a hard time with death and dying. It's just a whole lot. And just hold your people, be close. Talk to y'all later. Much love. Bye. Happy Saturday, y'all. I'm getting ready for a repast tomorrow. So I went out to the store, so y'all know I baked the cakes. So you know how, well, I just like to bake. So instead of us buying the cakes for our repast or any events, I just bake them, okay? So I do a recipe, the white almond sour cream pound cake recipe. So I use sour cream. Yeah, we do a little extra, but you do, I mean, even though you still want it to taste good, right? So I'm doing a total of 6 of the long pans that require this, because we're planning for $2.50. So I got the sour cream from Sam's, 2 of those. I got this butter. Y'all, I got this butter at Sam's for $13, and then went to the Brookshire store. They had the Land O'Lakes for $97. It expired on the 23rd or the 20th or whatever, but all you gotta do is put it in the freezer. The cake I make, I use milk. My son got this. Some of this I actually paid for. And so with the cake mix, you also use flour and sugar, and I got that. And I'm brand loyal to Domino's, but I wasn't gonna pay all that today. So I got eggs. I got 18 times 3 is what, 54, and 12. So I got 6 is 6 eggs. I don't know if I'm gonna need that many though. But yeah, if I got 8 cakes, 8 times 8, 64, perfect. Anyway, so I'm doing, my sister gave me the money to do the strawberry cake. So I'm doing 2 strawberry cakes. And with that cake, you have to have the Philadelphia cream cheese. And 1 block makes a whole long pan, because when you make that recipe, it's more than what you need for a layer cake. So it'll stretch it'll do the long pan. So I'm doing 2 strawberry long pans, 2 pineapple long pans, 2 chocolate long pans, and 2 of the bakery cakes icing with icing. And then I'm doing that's it. Let me see, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah, and also I'm doing 4. I like the pineapple cakes. I like to do them in the bundt pans because they come out better. They do. And this ground beef, they had it for $9.95 because it go out of there on the 23rd. I'm just going to freeze that. But that's a real good buy. Last week it was $18. But this is the Land O'Lakes butter I was telling you about, 97 cents. And look, it expires on... I'm always looking for a sale. If I had my freezer, I'd about all they had. But I don't have my freezer right now. And so it expired on the 20th, right? But you just put it in the freezer and it's okay. You just want to freeze it by that date. So for my strawberry cakes, you use Jell-O. So I got the Jell-O for the strawberry cakes. So you use the sliced strawberries and the Jell-O. And then the icing is some more of the strawberry puree along with the cream cheese and butter. And so I got my powdered sugar. I usually don't need but 1, but because we're planning to feed 250, I got that. And then, y'all, I found when I'm doing chocolate cakes, put chocolate milk. I know I see recipes, they say do coffee. I don't like the coffee because I can taste the coffee like an aftertaste. But use chocolate milk. And then I got this from Chef Jeff. Thank you, Chef Jeff from Katy, Texas. When you're doing, when you're putting fruit in your cakes, you want to use buttermilk. So how I do the cake, and you know what? I didn't need but 1 of these. Because what I do for the liquid, I use, well, no, I'm doing 2 cakes, though. Well, let me see. I only needed 1, I think. Well, yeah, because what I do is I put 1 cup of crushed pineapple with the juice, and then 1 cup of this for the liquid. But I think I ended up using a little bit more of the pineapple or something. I don't know. But anyway, that's why I got that. And you know what, y'all? Thank God. These were both on sale this week. I didn't pay but $1. Or 90-something cents for each one of those. And that's it. That's all I have. But this is going to make, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the long pans. And these pineapple are going to be 4 of the, because I do 2 of them at a time. And then I separate it into, look at my hand. What is it? Must be flour. And then I separate it into the bundt pans. But I mix up 2 at a time because that's what you need to do for the long pans. And so that's a tip. If you're getting ready to, if you're having a big event, family reunion or whatever, and you want to make a lot, take you 2 boxes of cake mix. For with the cake mix, you use 2 boxes of cake mix, 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of flour, right? You use 2 cups of sour cream, 8 eggs, 1 1/3 of I don't want to be wrong with that. I can't remember because I do it a lot, but sometimes I have to remind myself. Oh, you use 2 sticks of melted butter, but what I do is also I put a little bit of vegetable oil too, just to give it a little moisture. A little bit, make it a little bit more moist. And y'all, this is a perfect cake. These cakes come out perfect every time. All right, y'all, so that's it. Y'all be blessed and make someone smile. Talk to y'all later. Be blessed. Bye.